ready to turn your dream home into a reality. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of making offers on Redfin. First, you'll need to sign into your Redfin account if you don't have one. Create one, it's free. Once logged in, find the property you want to make an offer on. Scroll down the property listing until you spot the Make an Offer button, typically located near the listing agent's information. Click it. You'll be directed to the Redfin offer worksheet. This is where the magic happens. Start by entering your offer price. Research comparable sales in the area to ensure your offer is competitive, but also within your budget. Next, specify your earnest money deposit. This is a good faith deposit showing the seller you're serious. A typical amount is 13% of the purchase price, but this can vary by location. Now, carefully review the contingencies section. Common contingencies include financing, appraisal, and inspection. Consider waiving contingencies, especially in a hot market, but only if you're comfortable with the risk. Discuss this with your real estate agent. Set your desired closing date. Be realistic and consider the lender's timelines for processing your mortgage. A quicker closing might be more appealing to the seller. Use the personalization section to write a compelling letter to the seller. Share why you love the house and what makes you a great buyer. A personal touch can make your offer stand out. Finally, review all the details carefully. Once you're confident, submit your offer through Redfin. Your Redfin agent will guide you through the rest of the process, negotiating and handling paperwork. Good luck and happy house hunting.